All right. So here we're doing 8Q exclamation mark series number 1. Remove an exclamation mark from the end of a string. This is by my Jinxin 2015, and it's going to be 91% of the people like it. All right. And what we're going to do is remove an exclamation mark from the end of a string. For a beginner kata, you can assume that the input data is always a string. No need to verify it. Okay. So if it has a what is it? If it has an exclamation point at the end of the string, you just want to remove 1. Please don't post issue about difficulty or duplicate. You got it. All right. So on this one, we're going to be using .replace, and the replace method returns a new string with some or all matches of a pattern replaced by a replacement. The pattern can be a string or regex. Anyway, I call it regex. I don't know why they call it that, but a regular expression. And the replacement can be a string or a function to be called for each match. If pattern is a string, only the first occurrence will be replaced. The original string is left unchanged. Okay, so basically they search for this and replace it with that. So they'll find dog and turn it into monkey. And they're only going to do it one time, I guess. Yeah, look. So it just finds it once and changes it. It doesn't change it twice. I wonder how you do that. Dog, eye, ferret. Ferret. Anyway, what? Anyway, whatever. We'll figure that out. We don't need to go too into that. Anyway, we're gonna have to use regex though. And regex, regular expressions, that's a very deep subject that I'm not gonna do on this video. So I'm just gonna do it, and you can see what I did, and you can look up regex yourself, or wait until I make a video on it, like so far in the future. So we're going to return string, which is the argument here, dot replace, and inside of it, remember, we're going to put what we want to search for and what we want to replace it with. So we're going to use regex, which is you put something inside of these, and what we're going to put is backslash, or backslash. I guess that's a backslash. I don't know what kind of that slash. How about that? And we're putting exclamation point. You have to put this slash in front of the exclamation point. It's in something you do instead of like putting it in quotation marks. It just tells it that that's what you're doing. And you're also going to put this $sign at the end of it, because that searches for anything it searches for it at the end of the string. So it'll search for it at the end, so not the ones at the beginning. All right, and then what we're going to do is replace it with nothing. So just one of those. Let's see what happens. Hopefully. All right, cool. All right, and we're going to attempt it, and I did it. And there we go. Little regex, little replace. Am I satisfied? Ooh, we got 100 honor. Check us out. We're the coolest. Look at us. We're not the coolest, but we're getting there. Excuse me. Pardon me. My solutions. Let's see what we got. Just a couple of us. Best practice. All right. And we'll see you next time.